Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Simplified Computer Science Concepts by Professor Rutuja. Today we will be learning the second unary relational algebra operation, that is a selection operation. So what is the selection operation? So basically the selection operation is a unary relational algebra operation. When we say unary, which means it operates on a single table or a single relation. So these operations take relation as input and produces output as relations itself. So these selection operations select the rows of the relation that satisfies the given condition from the table. It performs horizontal partitioning of the relation and it is denoted by sigma. So what is the notification of it? So the notification is that we give it with the symbol sigma, the selection condition, and R is the table name or the relation name. So here R is the relation name or the table name, and the selection condition is nothing but the conditions which is used to retrieve the records from the table R. Now here there are selection conditions. We can give it in two forms. One is the logical form and the other one is the relational form. In logical form we can give and or not conditions, and the relation form we can use a comparison operator such as equal to, not equal to, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, greater than. So such types of conditions can be put in the selection conditions in the notation of selection operation. Now here in SQL, we have seen the where clause. So the where clause in the SQL corresponds to the selection operation in the relational algebra. Now how? Let us look this with the help of example. Let's say I want to retrieve the name and age from the employee table, name and age. So how will I write it? So I'll write select star from employee where age is greater than 21. Okay. Now I have put in the condition that I want the employee's details whose age is greater than 21. This is how will I write the query in SQL. But then if I want to write it in the relational algebra using the selection operation, how will I write it? I'll write sigma. What is the condition? The condition is age is greater than 21. That will be written as it is. And the table name. Table name is what? It is employee. So this is how we will write the query. So the selection operation in the relational algebra is equivalent to the where clause in SQL. Now here we have to, we will just see one more example wherein I have to select the employees whose employee ID is 2. So here what I will query I will write sigmoid. The condition is employee ID is equal to 2 and the table name is, or the relation name is EMP. So it selects this record and will output the same. Now we have to keep in mind that the schema of selection operation output is similar to the input relation. That means we cannot only display employee ID, name, age. The entire schema, that means all the columns in that table will be displayed as an output of this selection operation. That means how many columns here? 5. So whatever is the condition it satisfies, all the 5 columns values will be displayed. So that is important note that we have to make. Then let us look at one more example wherein I have to select the employees whose name is ABC. So here you will see in this table there are 2 employees with the same name, that is ABC. So here that gets selected and those record will be displayed as an output. Now here again the entire tuple is displayed. Now let's say I have to display the employee details wherein their age is greater than 21. Now here these are the employees whose age is greater than 21. So the entire record details of these employees will be displayed as an output. So see, all the 4 employees whose age is greater than 21 are displayed as an output. Then now one more example wherein I have to select employees whose age is greater than 21 and whose address is Mumbai. So there are two conditions. So for combining two conditions, we have seen there are logical operators such as and, or, not. So here we want both the conditions to be satisfied. That is why the logical operator that we will be using is and. So how we will write it? So sigmoid, we want that where age is greater than 21. So the first condition will be age is greater than 21, and we also want that their address is Mumbai. And so this is the and operator, and we have written the condition that is address is equal to Mumbai. From which table? From employee table. Now here address which is greater than 21, first we have to the address which is Mumbai, first we have to see this. So which records 2 and 6, but then we have to also find out that age is greater than 21. So here only tuple number 2 will satisfy this condition because age is greater than 21, that is 36. Here age is 21. So this particular record, that is record number 6, will not be displayed. Only record number 2 will be displayed as an output. Then the next query is select employee whose address is Mumbai and age is greater than 21 or have salary greater than 5,000. So here we have to combine and as well as or conditions. So here just look at the selection operation query that we have written, that is a sigmoid. The first condition is address is Mumbai. So we have written that. Along with that, we want that age is greater than 21. So and age is greater than 21, or we want to have the records wherein the salary is greater than 300. So this condition is written. Now let us look how it works. So first we will go and find whoever employees is having Mumbai address. So it is tuple number 2 and tuple number 6. Now we have to also compulsorily see that age is greater than 21. So here whose age is greater than 21? So tuple number 2 is having 36 age. So tuple number 2 will be displayed. Also we want to see, also the condition is that or the employees whose salary is greater than 300 and whose address is Mumbai. So again here employee number 6 is, even though it is not satisfying the criteria of age, it is satisfying the criteria of salary, whose salary is greater than 300. In that case, this record will also be displayed as an output. So I guess you might have understood the selection operation in relational algebra concept. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, please do post in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone for watching the video.